Broken, forgotten, now rebuilt. This robot was not supposed to be found. Hidden beneath layers of lunar dust, abandoned for decades, a massive metallic structure lay silent on the surface of the moon. During a routine exploration, two astronauts noticed an unusual signal. What they uncovered was a heavily damaged Gundam, rusted, powerless, and forgotten. Despite the risks, a decision was made. The machine was secured, attached to a launch system, and transported from the moon back to Earth. After re-entry, the Gundam was loaded onto a transport truck and moved to a restoration facility. This is where its second life begins.
The V-fin is completely bent, and the left eye is shattered. We need a full diagnostic immediately.
Platform 4, confirm stability. We're bringing up the next section for the chest access points.
The depth gauge reads 4 to 2 millimeters at the apex.
4 to 2 millimeters. Noted.
Look at the spider webbing here.
This lens is completely totaled. We'll have to replace the entire assembly.
The primary impact zone is stable, but look at the stress fractures here.
Got it. I'm logging the depth at 1.2 meters.
This entire coupling is compromised.
Confirmed. The corrosion spread past the primary bus. Get a shot of that fluid line fracture.
The debris goes deep into this vent. And the dent here is significant, almost 5 centimeters.
Okay, the priority is the right shoulder joint stabilization, highlighted in red. That plating is compromised.
Got it, leader. We'll prep the micro welders now.
Ready for deployment.
The cleaning process revealed more pitting than we expected.
Especially on the chest plate. We'll need significant reinforcement here.
Roger that, Crane. Watch your rotation on the descent. All right, she's clear. Keep those lines taut.
Roger. Moving to guide point 3.
That's C03. Check the seam alignment marker.
Confirmed. Panel ready for removal sequence. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Copy. Lowering to the stands now.
Slow down, approaching station 3.
Confirmed. Slowing to 2 meters per minute.
Watch the clearance on the left side.
Clear on the clamps.
Final disconnect complete. Ready for vertical translation. Slow and steady.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the V-fin.
Engaging main power conduit now.
Locks are secure. Alignment confirmed.
Torque on the shoulder joint is good.
Check the alignment on C cupola 4.
Looks within tolerance here.
Check this seam line near the waist. Needs a quick wipe, but the finish is consistent.